Hello and welcome to Farm Matters. In this tutorial we will be looking at how to add a cattle movement. If I begin by choosing the cattle tab at the top of the screen and then on farm and events, I can then select the animals I would like to be included in the movement. I can then right click, choose events and then movement. This will then bring us to the movement type screen. This is where we can see the different types of movements that are available. You can use the drop down menus to change locations and holdings of the movement. So for this example, if we have move from as farm matters and then we change move to Cleveland Farm, you can now see the bottom areas turn green, and this is telling you that this is a movement off. I can then switch these around, Cleveland Farm to Matters Farm, and you can see this is now saying that this is a movement on. We can change the drop down menus again from Matters Farm to Matters Extra Holding, and as you can see this now tells us this is a holding to holding movement. If I return to the original movement from Matters Farm to Cleveland Farm, you'll see to continue you need to click here to create the movement. I just then need to populate the information in the fields as I work my way through the screen. You'll then come to this option here, which is retain ownership. If you choose yes, this means the selected animal will still appear in your data as an on-farm animal, thus making it easier to then manage the animal throughout the program. I can then click next and work my way through the screens until we come to this screen. You will notice add movement to BCMS submissions list is already ticked. You will still need to submit this movement yourself also. You can see here at the bottom of the screen the settings cog. This is where you can change the settings of this event to suit your own personal needs going forward. You can change the haulier information at the top, and as you go down you can see the automatic management group pen removal. If you click yes, this means that when the movement has been complete, the animal will then automatically be removed from any management group or pens that they are part of. If you wish to edit or undo a movement, this is a simple process. Just choose the Edit, Undo tab at the top of the screen, and then choose the event that you are looking to edit or undo. If you then right click on the event, you can either undo the event completely by clicking that button and then choosing yes, or if you wish you can view and edit the event and edit the details as is required. Hopefully some of the things you have watched will help you maximize your use of the program. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and click the subscribe button below.